Let me start off this video by showing you there is a face to the voice. There's a human being. I'm way down in the lower corner there, but I'm going to get rid of myself real quick so we can get right into talking about the meeting itself. So in a previous video, I've told you to go to the messaging, or I personally go to my messaging every morning on LinkedIn.com. I check the unread messages, and then the only thing I try to do is to set up the meeting that we're going to talk about right now, whether that's a phone call or Zoom call, or even in person if that's possible. So let me get right into the bullet points that I've been using and presenting for many years now. If it's a phone call or a Zoom meeting, remind it what you're trying to do, that you are trying to get into a mutually beneficial referral relationship and trying to exchange valuable referrals with each other. Tell them you have no one in their business that you are referring to, and make sure that they don't have a person that they're referring all their business to that is your business. Neither of those cases, it's a non-win-win for either party or both parties if you're already sending all your business to somebody else, but it's a big win-win if not, and 90% of the time they will not have that person they're sending all their business to. And in the past, and possibly now, we can pick a time and location if it makes sense, like a car dealer. I would go there so I can see the dealership, et cetera, et cetera. Let's talk about it being a Zoom meeting because that's probably more likely. Again, I would, on the Zoom meeting, remind them what I'm trying to do, that we're trying to exchange valuable referrals with each other. And I ask them about their business, let them explain everything about their business. And then you explain everything about your business. And in my past, I've sold luxury homes. And so that I would explain that I had luxury clientele as my client. Now, other than that, you can offer each other, you can explain that incentives do get people to buy, because they do. And so you could offer each other's clientele, the people that they would refer to you, some sort of a incentive. And also, probably the most important thing you do is right on the spot. In a lot of cases, they may not have a referral for you, but they might. They may have a brother, friend, colleague, whatever it is, that needs your services right away. If not, and even if they do, I would find a easy form of communication. I would almost say definitely that should be an email, and I would stay in touch monthly. So on the 1st or the 3rd of the month, I would absolutely send them an email that says, hey, sorry, didn't have anybody this month to refer to you, but I just wanted you to know I'm top of mind. Or, hey, I'm glad we got together and I was able to refer somebody to you. Thanks for the referral, whatever it is. And last but not least, once you're in a relationship for quite a while, you can offer it to each other's email each other's database with a special offer for their clientele. Hopefully that all makes sense. And there should be a bunch of ways to reach out to me above and below this video. I can get into more detail on this and everything about my LinkedIn strategy. So whether that's a messaging, connecting, using the third-party app, et cetera, et cetera. And I will, there should be a bunch of ways to reach out to me above and below the video. And I'll do all of that on a 30-minute Zoom call. So I will either talk to you soon, or I'll see you in another video.